restoration and restitution for Judah first, and the other lost tribes of Israel soon thereafter. Of Israel on her 70th anniversary, the Lord declares the past 70 years as recompense for the Babylonian captivity. As Israel, specifically as Judah, was taken captive, losing her lands and sovereignty over 2,500 years ago, so have I, the Lord, restored her throughout the 70 years as repayment during these modern times. But furthermore, O Israel, know that the lost tribes of Israel, who also went into captivity seemingly forever, shall I, the Lord, very soon restore before your very eyes in a way befitting this forthcoming and soon declaration of restoration of just who and where the lost tribes of Israel are. A wondrously great prophetic promise is the God of Judah and Israel about to keep. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God, is spoken and written this day, date, and time of Monday the 14th of May, 2018 at 3:11 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Tuesday the 2nd of October, 2018.